your favorite Caribbean cutie. We are back with another vlog today and we are going outside. Today we are heading to another art museum and then hitting up Galleria Mall and whatever else wants to fall in place. Today we brought out the fashion. Like, I didn't even know it was gonna turn out like this, but I just did some mix and matching and I just did a reel on these clothes. This is basically what I had on for my 1K photo shoot. This is a top I always had, don't remember where I got it from. The Chic Women, of course, code Zazel for 25% off. These I wore in another vlog. My silver boots that I wore also for my 1K photo shoot vlog. So yeah, stop wearing your clothes one time and get creative and reuse them clothes because you work hard to get them, I hope, or not. I don't know your story, but I did. So anyway, reuse them clothes, mix and match, and get you a bomb outfit out of it, okay? So I am feeling this outfit today. I'm gonna try and show you guys the whole thing. And I'm talking fast because we are running out of time and I gotta go. But anyway, this angle is hitting because the sun is loving my skin right now. Thank you guys for coming back and we're gonna have a good day today. What's left of it.
Just bless me. I love it, you. We gonna take over you. I love it, you. Just bless me. Just bless me. Don't test our hearts. It's your bestie, 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 bestie.
So we just left the art museum. So, you know, I usually say 10 out of 10, highly recommend. I don't. I like the idea of art museums being surrounded by different art and stuff, and like the whole airiness of like museums and warehouses and stuff like that. But that museum was just, the vibe was weird. The vibe was off. Like the art was very weird and I feel like the workers was as weird as the art. Anyway, we're going to Galleria. I'm going to Bath and Body Works. I gotta get me my free stuff. Make sure y'all download the app and get your free stuff. Yeah. So yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna see you guys when we get in the mall.
Bestie, bestie, it is your bestie, bestie, bestie. Bless me, bless me, bless. It is your best, 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 bestie, bestie. It is your best, 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 bestie. It's gonna get messy. I love it, you.
What you need? Hey beauties, we're back home, guys. I'm not putting on my shades, just ignore these, okay? Today was so cute, it was so nice. Texas is getting warm again and I will vouch for Texas. Like, they have such pretty sunny days. Like, oh my gosh. Being from the Virgin Islands, I know what a beautiful sunny day look like, okay? And I am here for it. Yeah, we just stopped at Chick-fil-A. In the last vlog we went to Chick-fil-A too. I just got some strips because I'm not cooking tonight. I'm not cooking. I cooked the day before yesterday. Leftovers finished this morning. I made a quick dinner and then I'm gonna head in my bed. Well, today was cute. I already told y'all about the museum. Galleria. It's Galleria. I don't really have anything to say. Like, if I finish the vlog right now, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And welcome to the beauty family. We're cute, classy, and hungry over here. Don't forget to binge watch. Feel free to watch other videos as well. We have the vibes over here. We love the Lord over here. And don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me get to know you. You're getting to know me and I'm getting to know you. How is that fair? Anyway, see you guys and I love you guys. And see you in the next. This is not classy. See you in the next vlog. I attempted to make sorrel. If you don't know, that is a Caribbean drink made from hibiscus leaf. I think I nailed it for the first time. I might have added too much cloves, but it still came out really good. I think I got it from my mama because my mom could make a bomb juice. She used to make local juices in the Virgin Islands and sell them, and I sure do think she passed that down to me. She passed on some really great traits, both my parents. So I made it for my brother's birthday. Today's his birthday. So we're just heading to his house, and then we are going to probably, more than likely, see the Bob Marley movie, which I'm very excited about. He always wanted to see. I did wanted to see it too, so I'm glad that we could go and watch it as a family. So it'll be him, my sister-in-law, my nephew. They may or may not be on camera. I don't know how they feel. Today is a great, beautiful, sunny Sunday. Living in Texas, walking at the mall. And I'm just grateful to be alive, and grateful for the Lord. Grateful that me and my sister could enjoy breakfast together. We made some really nice breakfast, some pancakes and eggs, as you can see. That's about it. But yeah, I will see you guys when we get there, and that's it.
Don't worry. Gonna be alright. Don't worry. Three little birds. Gonna be alright. Until the philosophy and another and permanently discredited